Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Master Part 27. Without wasting any more of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. A double membrane between the middle of a dividing plant cell, which allow the new cell wall to form during cytokinesis. Cell plate. Sister chromatids which have the same genes as each other. These similar chromosomes attach to one another in order to perform the crossing over of genes. Homologous chromosomes. Unlike mitosis, meiosis results in the formation of four genetically different cells. The first phase of mitosis is called prophase. The pairing of homologous chromosomes. Synapsis. A set of four chromatids formed by two pairs of replicated chromosomes. Tetrad. The process in which homologous chromosomes transfer portion of their chromatids during the meiosis phase. Crossing over. The point where paired chromosomes remain together during the first meiosis metaphase, which allow the crossing over of genetic information between chromatids. Chiasmata. The process that is important for the repairing of damaged tissues and the creation of new tissues for growth. Mitosis. How can there be 46 chromosomes in a human cell at metaphase and also 46 chromosomes in each daughter cell. A single chromatid is considered as a chromosome since a double chromatid has two of the same chromatids, meaning each chromatid has the same genetic material. Explain the difference between a chromatid and a chromosome. Use a diagram with your explanation. Homologous chromosomes have two contrasting genes, while sister chromatids will have identical genes. If an organism's diploid number is 12, its haploid number is 6. What are stem cells and why are they important? Stem cells have the capability of becoming other types of cells, which help serve in the repairing of broken tissues. A double membrane that surrounds the nucleus in the cell. Nuclear envelope. Cluster of DNA, RNA, and proteins in the nucleus of a cell. Chromatin. Chromatids of homologous chromosomes exchange segments. Crossing over. Joined copies of the original chromosome. Sister chromatids. Crossing over rarely occurs in mitosis, unlike meiosis. Why? Tetrads rarely form during mitosis. During normal mitotic cell division, a parent cell having 4 chromosomes will produce 2 daughter cells, each containing four chromosomes. What is a tumor? A mass of cancer cells. One difference between cell division in plant cells and in animal cells is that plant cells have a cell plate. Cancer is a disorder which some cells have lost their ability to control their growth rate. Dear friends, thank you very much for trying out Biology Master 27. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye for now.